Cell cycle by Sky. You start off with a regular old plant cell, but inside of every plant cell is some crazy stuff that kind of looks like a walrus. But it's totally not a walrus, because there's a bunch of these things called spindle fibers. And there's also the centrioles and the centrosome, the nucleus with all the DNA. First, there's interphase, and no one seems to like this one that much. But in interphase, the cell basically just grows and copies its DNA in preparation. So the DNA stuff is just chillin', looking like spaghetti. But not for long, because soon it's time for mitosis, where a cell divides its nucleus into two nuclei. But what about the spaghetti, you may be wondering? Well, not anymore, because it's time for prophase. In the prophase, the DNA and proteins condense into tightly coiled chromosomes, and they look like X's. Also, the spindle fibers get longer and the centrioles start moving away from each other. And next, there's metaphase, where the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes and align them along the center of the equator, like this. Then it's time for one of the checkpoints, where you check the spindle fibers. And here's the spindle fibers. I actually drew this wrong, so we're just gonna turn it around really quick. And next, there's anaphase, where the chromatids separate to the opposite sides of the cell. And then there's telophase, which is when all the crazy stuff happens, basically. So this kind of looks like a dumpling, but it's the nuclear membrane starting to form and the chromosomes beginning to uncoil. And the little whiskers fall apart, which is sad. And next is cytokinesis, where the cytoplasm divides between two daughter cells with genetically identical nucleus. Just to recap, we had a normal cell fella, and then he became two cell fellas. That's it.